right, so you want to know how billionaire investor David Tepper made his fortune?
Yeah.
Well, buckle up, because on this deep dive, we're going to get into the world of high finance
Oh,
and
no.
try to unpack the investing strategies of this Wall Street titan.
All right, let's do it.
Now, we've got some excerpts from an article all about how Tepper made his billions.
Okay.
And it's not just about picking stocks.
Right.
This deep dive is going to try to get into the mind of a master investor who seems to have, I don't know, like a sixth sense for finding opportunities where others just see danger.
He definitely has a knack for it.
Yeah.
His approach is fascinating. I mean, he combines this deep financial analysis with, with the guts to actually go against the crowd. And that's a very powerful combination.
So one of his strategies that really stood out to me in this article was distressed investing. So is this like bargain hunting for companies that are about to go belly up?
It's a bit more strategic than that. Imagine a company that's facing like tough times.
Yeah.
Maybe their stock price is plummeting, Tepper looks for situations where these companies are undervalued.
Okay.
Meaning the market doesn't see their true potential for a comeback.
Okay.
Think of it as finding like a hidden gem that needs a bit of polishing to shine.
So it's not just about snapping up cheap stocks.
Yeah, no.
There's some serious homework involved, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Tepper is a master of what we call fundamental analysis.
Okay.
He dives deep into a company's financials.
Okay.
Things like their debt-to-equity ratio, which basically shows how much debt they're using to finance their assets.
Okay.
He also analyzes industry trends
Right.
and assesses the company's management team. This research helps him determine if a company is truly worth more than its current market price.
So this sounds a lot like contrarian investing, which is basically going against the herd, right?
You got it. He's not afraid to bet against the popular opinion if his research backs it up.
Right.
He trusts his own judgment.
Okay.
And he sees value where others might be blinded by fear.
This all sounds pretty risky.
It can be.
How does someone like Tepper avoid these massive losses?
Okay.
So with such a bold approach.
Risk management is absolutely critical in his strategy.
All right.
He diversifies his portfolio by investing in a variety of assets.
Okay.
Spreading his bets across different industries.
Okay.
He also uses sophisticated hedging techniques like credit default swaps.
Okay.
So let's say he thinks a company's stock will rise, but wants protection in case the market crashes.
Yeah.
He might buy a credit default swap, which is basically like an insurance policy against the company defaulting on its debt.
Okay.
So this limits potential losses, even if things go south.
So it's like he's got a safety net for those high-risk bets. But he doesn't just focus on the individual companies, right?
Right.
He's got to look at the big picture, too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
He considers macroeconomic factors like interest rates, inflation, and even geopolitical events.
Wow.
Anything that could influence market movements.
So it's like
he
incorporates
looking at everything.
Yeah, he incorporates these global trends into his investment decisions, ensuring that he's prepared for any major shifts in the financial landscape.
So even a seasoned investor like Tepper needs to adjust his game plan from time to time.
Absolutely.
Especially in a world where things are constantly changing.
Yeah, the financial markets are dynamic and unpredictable.
Right.
What works today might not work tomorrow. His adaptability to new information and emerging trends is one of the keys to his success.
So what can we, as like the everyday investors, learn from a financial giant like David Tepper? Most of us won't be running multi-billion-dollar hedge funds.
Yeah.
But there are valuable lessons to be gleaned from Tepper's approach.
Like?
Thorough research, meticulous risk management,
Okay.
and the flexibility to adapt to ever-changing market conditions.
Right.
These are all principles that can guide anyone towards becoming a more informed and successful investor.
So for everyone listening, here's something to ponder.
Okay.
Think about an industry that's currently struggling.
Right.
Could there be hidden opportunities there?
Maybe.
Waiting for someone to see their potential.
Yeah.
Maybe, just maybe, you can tap into your inner David Tepper and discover those diamonds in the rough.
Interesting.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of David Tepper.
My pleasure.
And until next time, happy investing.
Bye. See ya.
See you later.